What will happen in a drag race between a Xiaomi SU7 Ultra and a Tesla Model S Plaid? Well, today, on Motor Vista O2, we're about to find out because this is the ultimate EV duel of the decade. The lights are ready, the tires are warm, and two monsters of modern technology are about to unleash silent chaos down the quarter-mile strip. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra arrives as a serious new challenger from China, built to take on the world's best. Under its sculpted body, it hides 3 electric motors, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear, delivering all-wheel drive, launch control, and a staggering 1,548 horsepower with 1,770 Newton-meters of torque. It weighs 2,360 kilograms, yet rockets off the line like a supercar. Price tag: around 529,900 yuan, roughly 55,000 pounds. That's right, supercar power at family sedan money. Facing it is the legendary Tesla Model S Plaid, the American benchmark for EV performance. It also packs 3 motors for full all-wheel drive, putting out 1,020 horsepower and 1,420 Newton-meters of torque, while weighing 2,190 kilograms. At 115,000 pounds, it's nearly twice the price, but has proven dominance across drag strips worldwide. 2 titans, 1 battle. The question: can Xiaomi's newcomer really challenge Tesla's reigning king? Behind the wheel of the SU7 Ultra is Kinnan, a man who's already made headlines. His car set an unofficial Nürburgring BTG lap time of 7 minutes, 9.8 seconds, faster than many established performance cars and even beating Tesla's own factory Plaid lap from years earlier. The official Xiaomi driver later clocked a 7-minute for 09, proving just how capable this machine is. That's hypercar territory. So, when Kinnan lines up against the Tesla today, this isn't just a friendly run, it's a statement. Both cars roll to the line. The Tesla's batteries are preconditioned. The Xiaomi preps its triple motor launch sequence. Cold tires, cool air, perfect drag strip tension. The lights count down. 3, 2, 1, go. The Tesla rockets off the line, its instant torque catapulting it forward, wheels gripping, driver confident. But halfway down, the Xiaomi begins to surge, its torque delivery brutal, pulling hard and steady, closing the gap. Across the line, it's close, but the Tesla just edges ahead, thanks to a flawless launch. Round 2, with the Xiaomi's tires warmed up, both EVs crouch low, suspension primed. 3, 2, 1, go. This time, the Xiaomi hooks perfectly, its semi-slicks biting the tarmac. The SU7 leaps forward, torque erupting through all 4 wheels, and now it's the Tesla's turn to chase. As they flash past the quarter-mile marker, the Xiaomi takes its revenge, served at 9.3 seconds flat, the Tesla trailing at 9.5 seconds, its best run yet. Momentum shifts, the drivers line up for a third race. The Tesla claws back an early advantage, the Xiaomi hunts it down. A fraction of a second difference decides it. Tesla 2, Xiaomi 1. Kinnan refines his launch, perfects his reaction, and on the next run, the SU7 fires like a bullet, nose ahead before 60 miles per hour, holding the lead all the way. It's 2-2-2. The final race will decide it all. Both drivers know what's coming. Batteries hot, adrenaline higher. 3, 2, 1, go. Both launch perfectly, but just meters in, the Xiaomi surges forward, the Tesla straining to keep pace. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra crosses first. Victory! But the story doesn't end there. During back-to-back runs, the Xiaomi starts to hit thermal limits. Even with 73% state of charge, battery heat begins cutting power. A reminder that even electric giants need cooling time. Still, its performance remains astonishing. Then comes a short break and one final rematch, winner takes all. The Tesla nails the start, but as speeds rise past 150 miles per hour, the Xiaomi's triple motor system unleashes full force, storming past before the finish. It's conclusive proof that raw power and torque can outgun even the most refined Plaid when tuned right. After the drag battles, both cars take on a rolling race from 50 kilometers per hour. The Tesla jumps first, but the Xiaomi claws back and pulls ahead above 200 kilometers per hour, maintaining relentless acceleration up to nearly 300. Another run from 100 kilometers per hour confirms that the SU7 just keeps pushing, like a silent storm of torque. At these speeds, it behaves more like a combustion engine supercar, delivering the constant pull all the way to 290 kilometers per hour. Finally, it's time for the brake test from 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour. Both hit the cones and slam the brakes. The Xiaomi's carbon ceramic setup bites hard, its ABS fluttering, while the Tesla's steel brakes hold steady. Incredibly, the Tesla stops shorter this time, one victory for America before the day ends. So what have we learned? The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra isn't just another EV, it's a legitimate super sedan that can stand wheel to wheel with Tesla's Plaid at half the price. It's faster on track, devastating on the strip, and astonishingly composed. The Tesla Plaid, meanwhile, remains the benchmark for repeatable, consistent power. Both represent how far EV performance has evolved and how fierce the new generation of competition has become. The future of performance isn't just about who builds the fastest car, it's about who can combine power, range, cooling, and control. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra may be the newcomer, but today it proved it belongs in the same league as the Tesla Model S Plaid. Which one would you take home, the affordable Chinese super EV or the legendary American powerhouse? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vista 02, where the world's greatest cars come alive, one race at a time.